Wow, not again. Alibaba is down 1%. It hit a low of 75.26 today. This stock has done poorly for the past 3 years. And you know what? People are still buying calls every single week. And guess what? Every single Friday, they have gone to zero. Again, we can see that here, December 1st, a lot of people bought the 80 strike calls. So I did a video yesterday and I mentioned that 10,000 volume was traded for the 80 strike calls. Today, over 13,000 volume traded, and we have 11,000 open interests. Do people know something that's going to come out in the next 2 days? I mean, what's going to come out in the next 2 days? Even if it's good news, we know that Alibaba is going to go down. It's going to gap down every single day. Even if it does have a green day, the green day is so minimal. It'll probably go up half the percent, whereas when it goes down over 1%, sometimes 2% that we have seen in the past. Let's take a look at this chart. This chart is very ugly. It's been on a downtrend. You can see the highest it's gone since this year was 105. It just hit a low today. And while Alibaba is hitting its low, we have other stocks that's making 52 weeks high. Other US tech stocks are up this year. And while we're married to Alibaba, we're missing out on other opportunities. I have seen people say, oh, Alibaba is so cheap, get in now. Guess what? Just because a stock is cheap, it doesn't mean it can get cheaper, because it definitely can. An oversold stock can become more oversold. Why is Alibaba at this price right now if the PE ratio is under 15? Why is Alibaba at this price if it's so undervalued? Because Alibaba is not based on fundamentals. And I think people don't understand that. It's all about political risk. That's why when they said that they were going to suspend their cloud unit spinoff, the stock dropped. You can see here, November 17th, Alibaba loses $21 billion in market value. It was because of a US chip export ban. And that is because of political risk. Nothing to do with fundamentals. It doesn't matter how undervalued, how much cash they have, how cheap it is, how oversold the stock is. Nothing is going to help Ali. Every single day, people are buying calls. I don't know. 80, you can see the 80 strike calls is a very popular strike. 5,000 volume traded, the 85 strike. And guess what's going to happen on Friday? They're going to become worthless. And again, people are going to buy the following day, the next. And hopefully we do have a bounce. And like I said, the bounce, the green days are very minimal, half a percentage, whereas on red days, they go down 1% or even over 2%. Let me know in the comments, are you still buying Alibaba? Or did you get rid of this junk?